Have you tried countless diets under the sun only to find little to no results? Are you trying to lose weight? Then you've been looking at it the wrong way. Weight loss is just the byproduct of getting fit. And getting fit means making good lifestyle choices and habits. It means eating the right food at the right time. All you need is a diet that makes a difference. Welcome to the MAD Diet. MAD Diet will assess every aspect of your lifestyle and food habits to generate a personalized diet plan according to your stats. Everything is 100% Desi, nutritious and delicious. But wait, that's not all. Not only do you get a detailed step-by-step guidance, but also the MAD Kit with SugarSwap's most loved and trusted products made with superfoods to help simplify your journey towards a healthier new you. MAD Diet has changed countless lives by helping them reach their fitness goals. Choose the lifestyle that makes a difference. Start now. Let's make India fit again.